Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy step on how to delete Monopoly Go account. If you want to get rid of your Monopoly Go account and you don't know how, then here's how you can do it. First, launch open your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're inside this page, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Account Deletion. Confirm your account deletion by tapping on Continue, but remember that you'll be deleting your account permanently if you continue. Simply tap the Continue button and then you'll be taken to a website. Enter your in-game user ID in the first text box and then go to the next field and type in your email address associated with the game. After you type in these information, you can tap on the Understood button. Now, enter rest of the information in this page, and you need to enter rest of the information, for example, the current balance on your in-game, which should be appearing on your Monopoly game homepage. You also need to enter the amount of your most recent in-game purchases, if available. Enter your device's type-in model. Under data privacy reasons, select from the drop-down. You can just select why you are leaving the platform. Also describe your problem in the text box underneath. And in the last text box, type in yes. And finally, tap the Submit button. Once you tap the Submit button, your account deletion process will be processed within the 30 days. If your identity cannot be verified, you won't be able to delete with your request. And you will not be refunded for unused items you may have purchased or otherwise earned. Once the account is deleted, you will not be able to refund your items you may have purchased or otherwise earned. Simply go through the information before tapping on the Submit button, and that is how you should be able to delete Monopoly Go accounts quick and easy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.